Hello guys! Ayan, good evening po sa lahat. Ayan, bigyan shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga followers. Today's vlog po ay magluluto po ako ng isang recipe po ng Arabic foods. Na ito po ay favorite foods ng mga kids doon when I was in Saudi Arabia. And now, ang tawag po nito ay tinatawag nilang molokhia. So, ayan, niready natin yung garlic, onion, at may ginger. So, yan yung ating dapat ilalagay doon sa ating recipe, guys. And take note, much better nga, the more na mas maraming garlic is the more na mas sasarap ang lasa ng ating molokhia. So, kapag may marami kayong garlic, so it's better that you put a lot. So guys, ayan, may chicken tayo. Ang flavor ng ating molokhia is chicken molokhia. So, these leafy vegetables, we call this one here in Tagalog as saluyot. So, in English, they call them like naltajut in English. So, syempre guys, ayan, ikakat natin yung mga leaves niyan. So, do you know guys that saluyot or jute is a popular herb that is a good source of nutrients and minerals and which is a very healthy foods. So, syempre guys, take note, kailangan muna natin hugasan yan bago natin i-blend. Para naman, for sure, malinis yan bago natin ilagay sa blender. So, ayan guys, if you know how to make tinulang manok, so this is it, So, ito yung kawali na may mantika na sinabi ko. Did I say that if you have a lot of garlic, so it's better that you will put a lot because you're gonna fry the garlic in the hot oil. So, ayan na nga, nagsisimula na siyang mag-color brown guys. So, the more na magba-brown yan siya, the more na mas malalasaan mo ang lasa ng garlic na masarap siya guys. So, ayan na nga guys. That's how you mix the saluyot or the jute. So, ayan, mix it very well to our tinulang manok. Ayan. And then, mix it.
Wow!
So, ayan na nga guys, we're done. Mix the green leafy or the jute to the chicken soup. Ayan, so we will put also the fried garlic. Ayan, that's the next part, our fried garlic guys. So, take note, once you cook the chicken soup, it's already with the seasoning na. Syempre, may timpla na yun guys ha. Kasi mas mahirap na timplahan mo siya kapag nahalo na mismo yung gulay. Ayan, so palagi mo pa rin yung halo-haluin para hindi yan siya mabigat kapag kunin mo na sa bowl kapag kakain na. Kapag hindi mo mahalo yan, magbubuo-buo kasi yan guys. So, much better na talagang magkahiwa-hiwalay kasi nga Islami siya guys, di ba? So, yan, keep it, stir it, keep it, stir. So, that's all. So, ayan guys, yan po yung itsura ng ating molokhia. So, at least papakuluan natin po yan ng 5 minutes po at wag lang natin i-overcook kasi yung kulay green is ang kulay magiging itim. So, don't cover while it's keep boiling. So, that's it. So, ayan. Thank you for watching everyone. And don't forget to like, follow, sub, and share. And don't forget to do comments na lang din po sa kung mayroon po kayong maidagdag. So, that's all. Bye!